Good afternoon, everybody. For this lesson, we are going to do something just a bit different, and work on those writing skills. Now, before we start, though, I just want to find out how many of you guys know about, or better yet, work on or with blogs or blogging software. Okay, so there's quite a couple. Good stuff. That's good. Hang on, what? What does blogging have to do with this? Well, that's what we're going to do today, actually. What we're going to do, and this is as part of a class project that we're going to be doing now for, I hope, for quite a while. We are going to work together and build a blog together, the link to which I will then send out to your parents, to your other students, and we can get feedback from them on what's what. Okay. What was it? Okay. What can you write about? Okay. Well, once the blog is set up, you can write about whatever you're interested in. Okay. You guys can write about whatever. Whatever you're interested in. It doesn't. Okay. Well, obviously it matters in terms of the context, but if you've got something that you think is interesting, then then you can write about that. You can, if you like books and films, maybe, then you can do book or film reviews, or you can write about your hobbies. Write about if you do horse riding or swimming or running or whatever. Write about that. You can also collaborate with other students. So if you have something, maybe a project that's too big for one person, you can go and work with other students and create different unique types of content that will sort of capture everybody's imagination. You can also share project work, and it doesn't have to be as part of the blog project. You can share either you can share like class projects and that kind of thing as well. But if you want to share personal projects, that is perfectly fine. Let's see if I can get an example here. Okay, let's say that Dave builds or starts a YouTube channel. He decides he doesn't want to do the same thing that everybody else is doing. He wants to do something different, and so he sets up this YouTube channel, and he's gonna play, or he's gonna do these let's plays. So he'll basically be recording gameplay, put the gameplay up on YouTube, and then basically share that to the blog as part of his project. Or if that's a project that he's working on, that's fine. In general, I kind of like to see an article sort of at least every week. So if we do an article, say every day, even if it's just like short ones, everybody will get a shot at writing. So you'll all write for the blog, you'll all edit your work, and you'll all read your work. So we're actually sort of what's the phrase? Killing two birds with one stone, I believe. We're sharpening your writing skills, we're doing some team building stuff, and we're enhancing reading skills. Wow. So, let's see. Okay, so we're going to write an article. Everybody will write an article, maybe one article a week or 2 articles a week or whatever. And for the sake of simplicity, just to keep things simple, we'll just use Google's blog software. The title of the blog will be, let's keep it simple, Class A Students. Alright, sound good? Yeah? Good. Great stuff. So, let's get started, shall we?